you ever watched the popular television show Project Runway and wished you could create the kind of fashion-forward garments the contestants do? Well, stop wishing. Brother International provides a full line of Project Runway sewing, embroidery, quilting, and serging machines to help you turn your dreams into runway-ready reality. The PC210PRW and the PC420PRW, two computerized sewing machines that are perfect for garment construction and quilting projects. The PC210PRW has 50 built-in stitches, 5 one-step buttonholes, and an easy-to-use speed dial. For more options, the multilingual PC420PRW has 294 built-in stitches, built-in tutorials, and the Brother-exclusive My Custom Stitch feature, which lets you create your own stitch patterns. If you're ready to take on embroidery, look for the LB6800PRW, a sewing and embroidery combination machine. This lightweight compact machine is popular, not only because of the affordable price tag, but also because of the amount of features it comes with. The LB6800PRW also comes with an included rolling bag for easy machine transport. Every designer needs a fashion-forward, dependable machine to craft their wares. Brother offers the best lineup in the business with the Project Runway family of machines. For more information, visit www.brothersews.com.